What's up, guys? I'm back with another video.
Look at that big hoss. Look how fat that one is. He's been eating some.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. Been adopted. Some of the old songs.
So last time I went riding, I blew the tube. So I'm gonna install a new tube that I got. So I finished putting that tube in my dirt bike tire. So me and Jackson went riding a few days ago, and we went riding down my baseline on my four-wheeler, and I had the GoPro on. So I'll put the clips in right now. No? Yeah, no one's been here since today, because I don't see any ruts.
Alright, dig it. Go.
I gotta put in four-wheel drive. Because.
It's a Honda. Why would we need four drive?
Yeah, it's a Honda, that's true. Eat. I'm gonna go through there. I'm gonna kind of go off in the side. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna full send it. Oh dang.
Oh yeah. Easy. Nice and easy.
Look at all that water. Mint. He's trying to roost us.
It's too fun.
Look at his exhaust steaming, guys.
Somebody's scared.
Be the truck bit. I remember when we first came back here.
I shot my biggest buck in this stand that we're going to.
So we'll have to find out what we got on in 2 weeks or something.